What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to go over 5 consistent, very good dividend growth stocks. I own all of them, these 5. Now, I would like to correlate this with dating and relationship. Recently, there's one girl that tried to get with me for years, and there was no reliability, consistency. There was not a positive pattern. You know, say you'll do one thing, you don't do it. I was never really interested in this person. They tried to rush things. You have one date, and over the years they try to get with you. It's like, hold on, I don't even know you. Why don't you come up here? I'll see if something's going on. Basically, told her, show up here, or I'm not going to romantically pursue you. So, I wanted to feel it probably wasn't going to work well. There's a lack of consistency. Now, with these dividend growth stocks, this is what type of person I'm looking for or would romantically pursue in a relationship. You got consistency, these 5 dividend stocks. You have a pattern, okay? Goods and services. Revenue's going up. Dividends are going up. Price per share is decent. They're in demand, okay? There's stuff I want to be around. And again, to correlate with, a relationship or something, you start off slow. So I started off slow in some of these, and I started loading up on them because, again, this is something I want to commit to for a long-term dividend growth stock or buy and hold stock. So again, always with like a correlation with the Yieldmax, there's not a lot of consistency. It's not something I can completely commit on. It's good, it's bad, but these ones, yes, I can count on them. I know what's going to happen. Well, hopefully, it's in theory, but they have a pattern, they have a history, they have a tradition, they have stability, they have things that I want, okay? Things that I can brag about, okay? You have your wife or girlfriend, you brag about her. Like these ones. I love these. Anytime I talk to people who invest in stocks, I talk about these stocks. I love them. I like the dividend growth. I like the revenue. So I'm just trying to correlate a little things with when it comes to long-term relationships or buy and hold stocks, it's the same thing. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these dividend growth stocks right now. First one I want to go over is Kroger. They're sitting at 55.45. Now, they've done very well against the S&P 500. They're actually beating the S&P 500 in the past 5 years. Their dividend yield is 2.09%, a PE ratio of 18.73. They're a huge grocery chain. They're always busy. There's a lot of consistency with them. And again, I sold Walgreens for them because guess what? Kroger has a pharmacy inside of them. So, they have so many products. And actually, the next ones that I read over, all their products are inside Kroger. So, except one. But their market cap is 40.02 billion US dollars. The G range is 42.10 to 58.34. Day range is 54.88 to 55.47. Previous close is 55 shares. Now, I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. I'm not going to go over earnings per share or anything like that. I'm just going to go over the trends with revenue and dividend history. So the revenue trends have been fantastic. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2014, 98,000. 2015, 108. 2016, 109. 2017, 115. 2018, 123. 2019, a little down, 121. 2020, 122. 2021, 132. 2022, 137. 2023, 148. And then 2024, 150. So this is annually in millions US dollars. Again, consistency, revenue trends, in demand, buy and hold forever. This is why I own shares of them. Now let's jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2015. Quarterly dividend. 11 cents, 2016, 12 cents, 2017, 13 cents, and then 2018, 14 cents to 46 cents, 2019, 16 cents, 2020, 18 cents, 2021, 21 cents, 2022, 2023, 26 cents, and then 29 cents in 2023, 2024. So their payout ratio is low. I like that. That's good. 24%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. According to Zacks, their dividend growth is in 5 years 16.92%. So if you bought one share, you made 116 with a 2.11% dividend yield. Again, reliability, consistency, predictability, you're seeing that in Kroger. This is what a stock I can commit to and be a long-term hold and stick around. That's what I like about Kroger. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. Next one is Coca-Cola, sitting at 63.34, a dividend yield of 3.06%, a PE ratio of 25.45. The average volume is 13.08 million. Market cap is 272.82 billion US dollars. Year range is 51.55 to 64.25. Day range is 62.79 to 63.36. Previous close was 62.89. So again, you're getting some consistency. At one point before, it was beating the S&P 500. Right now, it's hurting a little bit, but guess what? That's a deal. Sometimes, relationships, things get a little rocky, and then they improve. This is one I feel very confident with the reliability, with the consistency, and how things work. So let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. We'll start in 2016. This is annually in millions US dollars, 41,863, 2017 36,212, 2018 34,300, 2019 37,266, 2020 33,014, 2021 38,655, 2022 43,004, 2023 45,000. So again, you're seeing some trends and the revenue going up. That's what I like. Now let's jump to the dividend history. I'm going to start in 2012. It was 26 cents, 2013, 28 cents, 2014, 31 cents, 2015, 33 cents, 2016, 35 cents, 2017, 37 cents, 2018, 39 cents, 2019, 40 cents, 2020, 41 cents, and then 2021, the 42 cents. I have to actually slow down because the dividend growth is fantastic. And then in 2022, 2023, 46 cents, and then 49 cents in 2024. So sure, they have, according to Zacks, a high payout ratio. I don't care. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.80%. If you bought one share, you made 194 with a 3.09% dividend yield. So guess what? Kroger usually sells Coca-Cola products. So Kroger's making money from people purchasing Coca-Cola. So think about that. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. So the next one is Pepsi. It's sitting at 179.73, a dividend yield of 3.02%, a PE ratio of 27.05, average volume 5.00 million. The market cap is 247.13 billion US dollars. Year range is 155.83 to 196.88. Day range is 177.61 to 179.84. Previous close is 178.06. So again, it was a little bit beating the S&P 500, but guess what? It's still going up. So that's the thing that's nice. Now let's go to the revenue trends and dividend history. So look at the revenue. 2016, annually in millions US dollars, 62,799. 2017, 63,525. 2018, 64,661. 2019, 67,161. 2020, 70,372. 2021, 79,474. 2022, 86,392. 2023, 91,471. So I like the revenue. It is very consistent. It's going up. And guess what? Pepsi products are sold at Kroger. So think about that again. So that's the one thing I like about Pepsi is their increase in revenue, and they suck up so many companies and they acquire them and done very well. Now let's jump to the dividend history. Let's start in 2015. It's 66 cents to 70 cents. Then 2017, 75 cents. And then 2017, 81 cents. I'm just showing you the trends. 2018, 93 cents. 2020, 96 cents to 102. Then it jumped to 108 in 2021. 2022, 115. 2023, 127. Then in 2024, 136. So yes, the payout ratio is a little bit high at 65%. Big deal. Again, I like the consistency. I like the reliability. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years, 6.76%. If you bought one share, you made $5.06 with a 2.84% dividend yield. So you notice all three that I'm mentioning. These are dividend stocks that a lot of dividend investors like for buy and hold forever dividend stocks because of and commit to these dividend stocks like relationships or marriage because you're seeing consistency and growth. There's no growth, there's no relationship. There's no growth, there's no marriage. There's no growth, there's no dividend growth. It's just very straightforward. Okay, that's just correlating things like it's very easy with the correlation. Why people call stocks yield traps and why I refer to certain women as yield traps and why you should pursue a dividend growth stock, and dividend growth always wins in the long run. Let's jump to the fourth dividend stock. Next one I like is McDonald's, sitting at $273.70. Now, I don't think any McDonald's products are in Kroger. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Their dividend yield is 2.44%, a PE ratio of 23.21, average volume 3.55 million, market cap is 196.93 billion US dollars. Year range is 275.73 to 302.39. Day range is 267.84 to 275.24. Previous closes 267.95. So let's check out the revenue trends and dividend history. Now this is quite interesting, but I'm going to tell you I still like the consistency with McDonald's. Now there's a lot of negative news going on, especially with people protesting what's going on. Okay? That's protesting and probably rioting. That's not good news for McDonald's. Annually in millions US dollars, 25,413, 2016, 24,621, 2017, 22,820, 2018, 21,257, 2019, 21,364, 2020, 19,207. Now this is what I'm liking right here. 2021, 23,222, 2022, 23,182, and then 2023, 25,493. So it has increased. McDonald's has been expanding. McDonald's is always busy. Now, there's still some consistency with the revenue, which attracts me, and I'm assuming, don't quote me on this, I'm not giving financial advice, that the revenue is going to increase over time, especially if robots start doing fast food. So let's jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2015. Quarterly dividend, 85 cents, 89 cents, 2016, 94 cents, 2017, 101, 2018, 116, 2019, 125, 2020, 129, 2021, 138, 2022, 152, and then 2023, 2024, 167. Their payout ratio, according to Zacks, is 56%. The dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years, 7.35%. So if you bought one share, you made $6.68 with a 2.49% dividend yield. So again, you're seeing some consistency. This is why I call them a buy and hold forever. And I'm going to commit to McDonald's stock. I love McDonald's stock. I own shares of McDonald's stock. Actually, all of these that I'm mentioning are stocks that I own. Now let's jump to the final dividend stock. Again, this one is big time, what I've been going after. Hershey's, sitting at 204.89. Dividend yield at 2.67%. PE ratio 25.71. Average volume 1.79 million. The market cap is 41.43 billion US dollars. Year range is 178.82 to 275.62. Day range is 249 to 204.92. Previous close is 200.09. Now, look at this. I think this is part of the Ozempic thing. It's, getting it there. It's still consistent. I mean, it might be catching up to the S&P 500, which is very awesome. And again, a lot of people try to compete and beat the S&P 500. Individual stocks can, and this one could. Don't quote me on that, but they can. Now, let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. And again, Hershey products are inside Kroger. Look at that. Everything is correlating back to Kroger. Now let's jump to the revenue and dividend history. So I'm going to start right at 2015. Annually in millions US dollars, 7,386, 2016, 7,440, 2017, 7,515, 2018, 7,791, 2019, 7,986, 2020, 8,149, 2021, 8,791, 2022, 10,419, 2023, 11,164. So there is an increase in revenue. Oh yeah, why I'm buying it. Increase in revenue. Now let's check out the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2013. It was 42 cents, 49 cents. 2014, 54 cents. 2015, 58 cents. 2016, 62 cents. 2017, 66 cents. 2018, 72 cents. 2019, 77 cents. 2020, 80 cents. 2021, 90 cents. 2022, 104. And then 119 in 2023 to 137. So according to Zacks, their payout ratio is 56%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 12.12%. So if you bought one share, you made $5.48 with a 2.74% dividend yield. So I own all 5 of these dividend stocks. I plan on being buy and hold forever dividend stocks because they're consistent. They are things I can commit to and being long-term buy and hold. It's like a relationship. Is this person long-term material? Is this stock long-term material? Is it consistent? Are they consistent? There's a strong correlation with a dividend growth stock and an individual. You don't want yield traps. You like consistency. You know what to expect usually. So I just wanted to sum that up. I know I did the story on the yield trap years ago with the girl that tried to get with me in Complex, but I just wanted to show you this thing. This is crazy with how easy you can correlate everything with pursuing or romantically pursuing dividend growth stocks. Women or men or women who are dividend growth stocks. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button, by the way. And I will have a video for you tomorrow. So I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Let me know what you like about these 5 dividend stocks. Take care and have a good one. As a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do own all 5 of these shares. I just want to let you know. I plan on having these 5 stocks all as long-term dividend stocks. I own them, plan on buying and holding forever and committing to them. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of tax purposes. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of tax advice. It is best to seek tax advice from a tax advisor and financial advice from a financial advisor. And investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So make sure you do your due diligence. Take care and have a great Friday.